We are here with Matthew Goff from Ecovate, and he just finished his panel at Dig South. Data is the new oil. So for the people that couldn't join your session, can you let us know what they missed?
Yeah, it was a great session. Sorry if you couldn't make it. The theme around really was how do you take data, how do you monetize that data, what are sort of the concerns around it, privacy concerns, everything that sort of goes around and goes into collecting that data, storing it, and making it meaningful. I think the real takeaways today were, number one, you have to have a data strategy. It's just part of sort of the world that we live in going forward. If you're in a business, if you're in a software business or something like that. I think one of the other sort of big takeaways that Jesse from Constant Contact, Jesse's the Chief Analytics Officer there, he said, when you're looking at data, think about it from how is this going to have some sort of an impact on the business, right? What does that look like, and how do you make it where it's actually meaningful? And then I think sort of the third piece of it was, you have to have the ability to sort of whiteboard out, here's where we're trying to go with this, and erase it and whiteboard it out until you get to this nugget of truth, which is going to have an impact on your customers. It's going to have an impact on your business. So it's early on in data, but it is, data is the new oil. It was a play around how valuable data is and data can become.
Great. Yeah, we really love the panel. And this is your second Dig South, right?
Yes,
so,
it is.
For folks that haven't been to Dig South or haven't heard of it, can you let us know what Dig South is about to you, and why it's important to have it in Charleston?
I think it's Dig South to me is around just an amazing experience from a learning perspective. You're bringing together such an interesting group of people that have so much experience in the market from all different types of companies, different types of industries, and so you get the opportunity to learn a ton. Interact with some people that you probably normally wouldn't be able to, and to me it's around collaboration, and it's everybody coming together in this amazing community. And I think it's important to Charleston specifically because I really believe that we're on sort of this really awesome curve moving upwards of a startup ecosystem, and this is just such a foundational layer of what Charleston is and what Charleston's becoming. This is my second time at Dig South, my second time speaking, and today we came here and we drove in circles for 20 minutes trying to find a parking spot, and I was excited to see that because there's so many people that have flown into the area, driven into the area, or live in the area that are participating and supporting Dig South. So it's awesome, and the after parties are awesome too.
Awesome, of course. And lastly, let's talk about Ecovate. For folks that don't know anything about Ecovate, this is your startup. You came here to launch it here in Charleston. Can you describe basically what Ecovate is and what folks can look out for in the next year with Ecovate? Yeah,
so Ecovate is it's a software as a service company, and what we do is we help companies hire folks that are a better fit for the job, for the company, for the culture. Really what we're trying to do is we're trying to help companies save time, by reducing turnover, not having these mishires, and ultimately have a positive impact on their financial sort of well-being as an organization. So sort of the buzzwords around it, it's a talent intelligence platform really built from the ground up for small to medium-sized businesses.